You know, I'm 21, I have 18 WRX, I have a 5-year-old at home. You know, it's not easy.
Yo, the new girl got an ST though? She has an ST? Okay. What's up, bro?
How you doing?
What's up? You're back for number 2 video.
Round 2.
Did you cut it? So are you gonna do it or no?
I'm probably gonna do it. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger and just do it.
Pop your head.
Make the best out of it.
Pop your head, bro. There's something missing.
A little bit.
Oh.
A little bit.
Oh.
I did
Do you like it?
I do like it. It's like night and day. It like totally brings out the intercooler. So
Yeah. Can we check it out?
let's go.
Fuck.
My name is John.
Here, I'll pretend I'm the viewer.
I drive a Subaru WRX. It's a 2018 Premium. Pretty much full bolt-on. Just excluding the headers and the E85. I mean, it's not a bolt-on in the E85, but it's a good add-on for the car. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck now.
Ooh, let's go check this car out. I already see it. So last time we talked, we put in the comments if you guys wanted him to cut the front grille because he got a front mount, and we wanted to see if we should expose it, right?
Definitely.
Because it looks pretty, and I mean, you know, for an average person, it looks like a radiator.
Yeah.
Very pretty radiator.
That's what I tell everybody. Like, you know what? I just got a stencil, and I got the ETS stencil and a spray paint in my radiator.
Yeah.
It's stock. It's a stock car.
It's a stock car. It's a sleeper. All right, drum roll, please. You ready? Bam! Damn, no, that looks good. That looks good.
Snitches be dying, they said that they didn't, they probably be lying. My youngest savages, they stick with the violence. They never be using their heads, they be wildin'. Stuck with designer, always.
Can we hear it?
Yeah.
No, let's hear it. We'll go for a ride later. Okay. Ooh, you can hear the whine of the turbo back here? That sounds good. Do you like it?
I like it. I love it. It's that mufflers that I have for the N1s is perfect. I feel like going this like straight pipe, no muffler at all, would be overbearing. That just gives like a little happy medium where it's not drony at all. When you're driving on a freeway, it's perfect. But when you really want to get on it, like it's definitely there for the sound. Having no cats, I think you really do need something to get the happy medium.
Yeah. Let's go for a ride. He's like, you want to drive? I was like, nah. I like to be the passenger. You get to experience the car. Ooh, bruh. This is probably the cleanest WRX I've seen in a long time. Everything is like clean. Oh, dude.
Always gotta keep a Subaru with you.
Oh, man.
You gotta stay true to your roots.
Damn, heated seats. Bouge ass. Look at this, 6-speed. You know how bad I wanted a 6-speed back in the day when the STIs only had them?
Yeah.
You got a sunroof.
Car likes with the Whirlpool tune going on, you just rev it up just a little bit and
a little backfire right away.
Backfire. It's a little overbearing. I was turning right there and like there was a cop and I was like, oh man.
Oh dude, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but you know, there's a little backfire to it. Ooh, you hear that? Pop, 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 pop. It's like shots fired over here.
I have one of my friends. She's one of my really good friends. She has one of these. And I was just sitting in the car with her one day and I was just like, man, like I really like how this feels. And you know, Subarus themselves, all-wheel drive. I've always loved the EJ motors. I mean, I know this one's an FA20. It's a whole new motor. It's proven to be a lot reliable than the EJ. But the EJ, like that Subaru Rumble, will always have like that feeling in my heart that's not comparable. I kind of honestly it's a lot better than the FA20. This is the sound of just the exhaust itself. But no, Subaru is great. Like a lot of people say, yo, you know, Subaru's brake, but they don't brake. This car has been 100% reliable for me. I have had no issues at all whatsoever. I've learned how to drive stick in this car. You know, I've done a lot with this car, and it's just deep down, like it's something where it's just not comparable. I can't get rid of the car ever. It's gonna be with me for a really long time, and probably gonna go through a couple motors, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go full send one day. I'm gonna get a daily car and it's just gonna go full retard with the car. But just have fun with it all, you know, just be humble, have fun, you know, hang out with your friends and just make memories, you know.
Oh man. Look, mob it, mob it.
Car, just do a little pull.
Oh, that was nice.
It's like linear. That's like what I really like. So throughout the whole power band, there is power going through it. It doesn't die out at all.
Yeah.
All the way to red line. Everyone always asks me, like, you know, how do you afford a car like that? You know, I'm 21 years old. I worked hard. You know, I got promoted as a supervisor. Within a few years with the company itself, just constant working, like, hey, can I stay over? Can I do this? And I did all the work myself on the car, so I did kind of save like on labor. I didn't really have to pay anybody to do anything like that. I figured it out. I'm not really mechanically savvy at all, but a couple friends, go on YouTube, everything's on there for you to learn how to do it. Just work hard, stay at it, you know, do overtime, always be hungry. You know, that's all I can say is always be hungry. You know, whenever someone's just like, hey, you know, you work half day, can you stay later for me? Of course. You know, that was always my answer. Can you stay later? You got it. And then pretty much it pays off in the end. Ron at Fat Body, just phenomenal.
Yeah.
Like, no complaints at all.
Damn. It feels so nice. What's suspension?
BC coilovers.
Yeah. I wish you guys could hear this. Damn, it pulls.
Definitely.
It definitely pulls. How much power?
320 to the wheel and then 334 torque.
320 horsepower.
On just basic bolt-ons.
Basic.
You know?
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
And it's not a crazy heavy car.
Not at all.
That's the crazy part.
Went up to GMR and it's just, I loved
Sticks,
it.
right?
Yes.
Good ass tires. You're good. You can mob it. Ooh, look at that downshift rev match. Easy, just impressing me.
And I didn't learn how to drive stick in this car.
That's crazy.
That explains the miles on the car though.
Yeah.
Sometimes just go drive or just
to drive?
Just to drive.
Car life.
En route off for delivery today.
What? Coming to your house.
Coming to the house and I was just like hoping, I was just like, all right, hopefully it gets here early in the morning.
Talking about here, right?
Yeah, so all this stupid colors could be red.
We have to make a follow-up video.
Definitely follow-up videos. Gotta get some engine braid, like dress up. Looks like lonely.
Battery cover, for sure.
Dude, I went to the dealership and I tried to get in like that blue one that they have over here.
Yeah.
And then the oil cap, sold out. They don't make them anymore, discontinued.
Damn. Yeah, someone cover this. This is like so exposed. It's weird.
It's weird, huh?
Yeah. Damn, bro.
You know, I'm 21. I have 18 WRX. I have a 5-year-old at home. You know, it's not easy. Let me tell you, it's not easy. I was 16 years old. That's when I had them. So it's just nonstop, constantly working. You know, going to school. I graduated. I did all that. Started going to college. Just never settle for less. Always, you want to do the best for yourself. You want to do the best for your family. And in the end, you can have the toys. You know, that's pretty much what it comes down to. You're gonna work hard now while you're young, and then at the end of the day, it's gonna pay off for you in the long run. You want to set examples for everybody. You want to be there for somebody. You know, motivate them. You have your friends that are, you know, they do this and that. You know, you just gotta talk to them. You know, hey, you know, this can't be doing that anymore. You're getting old. But it definitely just constant work ethic. You know, stay at work, stay busy, stay motivated. That's what I can recommend to anyone out there. That's, you know, how does he have, you know, a car like that? What did he do? His mom and dad probably bought it for him. You know, there's always, you know, speculations on things like that. But you know, it's constant working all the time.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Nice meeting you again.
Yo. Wait. Look for. Huh?
I ain't gonna tell y'all how to get over.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the end of this vlog. You know, these video styles are super different. It's more of a story on the person versus the card. I really enjoy these types of videos. You get a little bit of card, you get a lot about the person. If you guys have a story you guys want to tell me and you guys are local to me, shoot me an email, smurfinwrx@gmail.com. I'd love to film you guys. I love how these stories turn out because it's about the person, but it's about their struggles and their strive to get the cars they want. And that's really interesting to me because the car is a car, anyone can have it, but the story behind a person is so much deeper and so much more. If you guys like that content, hit that like button. Let me know, please. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a car you guys want me to check out. And if you guys have a car you want me to check out, shoot me an email. But in the meantime, good night, guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys next time. Face to the face.